Today, we're diving into the Cooler MasterCase H500P Mesh White ARGB Mid-Tower Case, and let me tell you, it's a head-turner. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the design screams high-performance gaming. But it's not just about looks. This case is engineered for maximum airflow, a must for any serious gaming rig. With its fully mesh front panel and dual 200mm ARGB LED fans, cooling is top-notch. But it's not just about keeping your components cool. The H500P Mesh White also prioritizes cable management. With a PSU shroud, CPU cutout cover, and additional cable covers, your build can look clean and professional, enhancing not just performance but aesthetics too. Installation is a breeze with plenty of room to work with, and the added bonus of 2 additional PCI slots for vertical graphics card mounting gives you even more customization options. And let's not forget about the tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your components in style. In terms of compatibility, this case is no slouch either, supporting ATX motherboards and GPUs up to a whopping 412mm. Plus, with support for up to 360mm radiators on the top and front. Water cooling enthusiasts will find plenty of room for their setups. Overall, the Cooler Master H500P Mesh White ARGB is a beast of a case, combining stunning design with exceptional airflow and customization options. If you're looking to build the ultimate gaming rig, this case definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.